Hello, my name is Timur Umurzakov. I'm from SE-2013, and this is my presentation of the MyGarden app. Let's talk about the providers. This is like a normal SQLite database. Uh, we have a content provider which contains like concrete methods and methods to like navigate the database, like insert, query, delete, update, get app, and so on. Point contract which contains data for the tables, URI, and so on. And DB helper which creates the actual table. Next we have an add point activity. This add point activity is used when no, let's talk about this like in actual order. Like main activity we have garden recycler view, which like displays all of the points that you have. You also have like an ability to like add a new point, and when you're opening this activity, these views are recycled, uh, reloaded, I mean, and your what I want to say, your plans are displayed. Let's talk about the add point activity. This is like pretty easy. You just have an types adapter, which contains list of different types. We can actually open point types adapter. Uh, this is just like a normal adapter which contains its own view holder. You can get item count, and I think this should be it. Like we're getting resources like image of the points and so on. Next, points details, like when you open an actual point, uh, when you open it, you can go back, you can water point, you can I mean this is it pretty much. You can also see the here we are creating it on back here on water button click. We are using a point watering service, which makes an action, starts a method of start action water point, which in which like starts service with this intent. You also have widgets, but let's talk about this later. On create order, like we are loading from the database data about the single point. Here, like you are returning cursor loader, and on load finished, we are like instantiating like how much time has passed since creation, since it was last watered, type of the point, and so on. We are placing an image in the point image res, or which means like ID. Uh, we get it from the point utils, get point image res. It like calculates what image to give according to the age, according to the when you watered it, and whether it is alive or not. From here, it like sets the all of the aforementioned details about the point to their own views. And I think this is it. You can also like cut button, click on the cut button, which like destroys the point. I wanted to go next here. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm a little Here we have a plant list adapter that we, I think, have gone over. Plant list adapter. No, we haven't yet. It is a list of the, um, it is displayed in the main activity, plant list adapter, which displays our own um, plants. Here we can see like on bind view holder, like instantiating in the same logic as like before we have seen, like plant ID, plant type, plant was created, and was watered, and the image based on like these variables. You also get an item count. Next, water level view, like how watered it was. It's like dot on the circle. We can measure it. Next, let's go to the point details. Yes, get point image as we have seen. There are like two types of how it is. Like we can either pass point status, point size, or like the point age, water age, and water type. Next, let's see the get point type name. It encodes it from the resources and returns the string with the name. Get display age int. We are displaying the age of the plant. Next, I think I forgot. Oh, it's just I forgot to tell about the different plant statuses and plant size. Here we have an enum with alive, dying, dead types of plants, so it can be alive, dying, or dead, depending on like age and watering. Tiny, juvenile, fully grown, like depending on like if it is on the process of growing. Like one of the more interesting classes is grid widget service. On this app, we can also create widget with the app with our plant, and it actually so like here we have a factory that creates it on that's it changed like updates the plant. Here we have a get view at, so it like in the same logic as in the adapter in view bind holder, so it like recreates the plant from the data in the database and sets it using the remote views. So like we're doing this using remote views. And we can, I think, find it here. Yes, plant widget provider, which is extends app widget provider. We are using it this class to create actual widgets. Also, like this class is a widget in itself. Here we have like a bundle with app widget manager. Our widget can be updated. We can get a single point remote view based on the amount of our plants and data about them. Get garden grid remote view. So if you have like multiple plants, where's this? Okay. And we have a point watering service, which like we are using to like actually water our plants. I think like this should be it. I'm sorry for the presentation. This project is like quite big and giving me some problems. So thank you for your attention.